Hello, my beautiful and wonderful people. How are you all doing today? Yes, I know you're fine. I know you're fine because if God be for us, who can be against us? Nobody. We are coming out strong daily to the glory of God. How are you all doing, my lovers? I know you're always great. I love you all. That is sharing, liking, subscribing, passing by. I love you all. May God bless you all richly in Jesus' name. If today is your first time of coming here, my name is Sister Divine or Divine TV. You coming here today, you are blessed. You will never know pain in your life anymore in Jesus' name. I do all sorts of things in this channel. So guys, as you can see, my juicer is ready to do this great miraculous drink that we are going to be doing today. I'm just coming in now. I went outside. I'm just coming in. I want to juice my miraculous juice. I said, let me show it to you guys. Wait, let me remove my glass. So guys, what are we talking about? This cabbage. Oh my God, it's so good. The juice, when you juice this and drink, you don't know what you've just done for your health. When you drink this, a glass of it, it's also beneficial. It has a lot of natural benefits in your system. Remember, I am not a doctor, disclaimer. So anything you want to take, try to ask your doctor before you take it. But I know that cabbage is very good for you. It has vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin B. It has calcium, potassium, magnesium. It has a lot of benefits. It can wash your heart. It can heal your pain, your menstrual pain. When you are looking for the fruit of the womb, it's also good for you. It prevents cancer. It makes your skin to glow. It can make you to lose weight. When you are taking these guys, your skin glow. Yes. It can make you to lose weight. It can make all those pain, those sickness that is in your body, those toxins, is going to clear all away. Cabbage juice is so good for you, but it has more benefits more than this one. Okay, this has more of antioxidants more than this. So guys, it's so good. Using this for yourself, you are not doing yourself bad, guys. You are doing good things to yourself. Without wasting much of your time, we'll be talking and be doing it. Okay, let me show you how I juice my cabbage juice. You can use it as a salad, you can use it as a soup, you can use it as whatsoever you want to use it to do. Is so good. But what we advise you to be doing is to start incorporating this into your system. You will see, you are going to call me to testify. Since I learned of this, I have been taking it and I have not gone wrong with it. Let us go and juice without wasting much of your time. So good. So guys, we start by washing it. What you are going to use is good for us to wash it. This is baking soda. I soak it with baking soda for some minutes. If you don't have baking soda, you can use salt to wash it up. Okay, it's very good for you to wash your fruit and those whatever you are going to be cutting, your vegetables. It's good to wash it with baking soda or salt. Okay, so I'm just washing it with a clean sponge because I don't know how many hands has touched it, and that is just it. Is good to be clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness, guys. So guys, as I was saying, this juice has a lot of benefits. If you are looking for the fruit of the womb, the purple one or the red one, yeah, it's purple. The purple one, try and be taking a glass of it daily. Okay, two of them have the same, but the purple one has more benefits. Okay, so guys, you cut it this way. I'm going to be using one part. So after that, you slice it little because of the juicer. Okay, depends on the juicer you have. It has a lot of benefits, guys. Be drinking this, you will see the results. It will make your skin glow. You know what vitamin C can do in your system? Vitamin K, it has it too. You know that vitamin K is very good for our hair, for our body. This is ginger. I am adding ginger to it. You can decide to add carrot or apple. You can decide not to add anything at all. So guys, you see the way it is. So guys, I cut out part of it. I'm going to be using part of it. You just dice it this way, slice it this way. It's just simple as A, B, C, D. So I told you guys I'm going to be bringing a lot of things here in this channel. Different things that is good for our mouth, good for our eyes, good for our ear. I'm going to be bringing it to this channel. This channel is not just for one video, okay? So I'm cutting the ginger now, 2 for this, 2 parts for this, okay? So if you want to add more ginger, you can add more to it, okay? You see the way it's beautiful? It's so beautiful. So guys, that is it. It controls cancer. It can prevent cancer. When you have a diarrhea, it's going to help you to clear it. Bloating is going to help you to clear it, those toxins away from your system. It's going to purify your system. It's so good. It has a lot of great benefit, guys. So it's good for your sight. It's good for sight. It's good for weight loss. It's good to beautify your skin. It's good for pain. It's good for all the packages. You have it all. It's so have it all. It's so good. Okay. So if you didn't see the purple one, you can use the green one or white one, as depends on the color you feel it is, but I feel it's green and purple. What do you think? If you feel that what you think, just write it down below, okay? So I've used this. I'm going to be taking this too. So I'm going to be just to clean the I'm going to clean the cup. I'm going to clean the cup. You see the way it is. I'm going to be cleaning this up. I will leave the juicer that way because it's still the same thing. So I'm juicing the other one, the purple one. Guys, when you are drinking this, it will be very difficult. All this when you have runny nose, you have diabetes, you have I don't know what to call this. This is just a gift, a miraculous drink that people have been neglecting. Since I learned it 3 years ago, I have been drinking it and I know the benefit that it has. So powerful, guys. So powerful. You know, this chaff that we're going to be removing from this, we are not throwing it away. We are going to be using it to make semo fufu. So you see, this is it. We are going to be making fufu with it. If you don't know what is fufu, fufu is a swallow that we eat, you swallow. Sorry, I messed it up. I just cleaned it up. So guys, you see this? If you don't know how to use cabbage to make fufu, just go down below of my video. You will see the video there. I told you everything is here. You don't need to look for it. Just check down there. You will see everything. So this is the chaff. I'm not going to be throwing it away. I'm going to use it to make swallow for myself. Yummy swallow with okra soup. I'm going to be downloading this. Maybe one day I'm going to eat it with mukbang. So guys, we are done with it. So good. Please start incorporating this into your system. You are not going to go wrong with it. It's so good, guys. It has a lot of great benefits. It has a lot of great benefits. If you have not been doing it, start doing it. I love you all. I told you that we are going to be seeing everything that is good for mouth, ear, and it's good for you too. It's good for the eyes. We are going to be doing it in this channel. It's good for your system. We are going to be doing it. It's so good, guys. Wow, yummy. I can't stop loving you guys. You all are lovely. I love you all. I love you all. It's so yummy. The taste is not bad. Adding ginger to it is a perfect match. So you can add carrot to it too. You can add apple to it. It's so good. You can just blend it that way.
Don't judge me. I am going to be downloading everything. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow, 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 wow. So yummy.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Ooh. When you are drinking this, guys, you are going to testify. You are going to testify. It's also good when you are looking for the fruit of the womb. It's good. When you want to lose weight, it's good. For your health benefit, it's good. It prevents a lot of bad things to come into you. And it detox away those bad things, those sickness, those toxins that is in your system that you don't want there. It takes them away. It's so good. Because I've drinking this now, I'm going to be taking this later, but it's good. Take care of yourself, guys. Let me tell you one thing that I always say, and it's true. Remember that it's not over until God says so. Before we meet next time, you know what you do for me? Keep on bouncing in the Lord. Keep on loving yourself. Keep on doing those things that you know that is good for you. Bye-bye. Ciao.